In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this easy pizza dough that turns out perfectly every time. These are all the ingredients you're going to need for the pizza dough. So first, to a bowl, take your lukewarm water and add in the sugar and mix it in. Make sure the water is only lukewarm and not too hot. Then add in the active dry yeast and mix that in. And you're going to set that aside for 10 minutes. Once your yeast has bubbled up, it's ready to go. Now take a bowl and just grease it with some oil and set it aside. In another bowl, take your flour and add in the olive oil and the salt. Mix it with clean hands. Then add in the yeast mixture to this and knead until it comes together. Once the dough has come together, you're going to continue kneading until the dough is nice and smooth. You can transfer the dough to a flat surface and keep kneading. After 8 to 10 minutes, you're going to set the dough aside in the greased bowl and grease it using a pastry brush and the olive oil. And then cover it with a cloth and let it sit in a warm place for 1 hour, after which it should have risen. So first, grease your pizza pan with some olive oil and transfer half the dough into it and press it with your fingers till it's nice and flat. And then you're going to prick the dough with a fork to make sure that it does not bubble up anywhere. Add your desired toppings on the pizza. And then you're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Keep an eye on it and make sure it does not burn. And then serve it hot and enjoy. Subscribe for more recipes and I will see you soon. Bye.